pressure. Hey, Kung Ho, you got hit in the head. How's it going? Where did I get hit?
Nowhere.
Maybe in the,
Let me see.
in the body. Let me see.
Oh.
Somewhere. I know it got hit.
Okay. Switch.
Switch? Alright. Like this? Oh. There we go. So you got hit in the head. The headshot. I don't know. I got hit in the arm. Somewhere. Nice camera, Kung. There you go. Excellent. John, back him up. Back that guy up. The guy in front of you, back him up. There you go, John. There you go. There we go. Good job, guys. Good job, John. Take it from the right. There we go.